So I teach you the method of acquiring it. Do the same thing, for instance, in exact sciences. Now the most exact science is mathematics. In mathematics there is a branch of mathematics which is called geometry. In geometry you start with a similar iman as you start in Islam. Geometry starts with the point. Isn't it so? Alright. That is the starting point of geometry, the point. But what is the point? A point is that which has no length, breadth and thickness. Then what it is? A thing which has no length, breadth and thickness is only conceptual, it is not real, material, physical at all. You see, but then you come to the next stage, the line. Then about the line you are told that a line is that which is an aggregate of points. Now the question arises in your mind, if a point does not have length, then 100,000 points cannot also have length, because it is minus length, minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus is minus. Ad infinitum. So from where does this length come in the line? You define the line, that a line is that which is length but no breadth and no thickness. From where has this length come? The geometrician scientist, he will tell you, believe in it and you will be saved. Believe in it, you will be saved. Hold patiently. But that is the starting point. Then you come after the line to the square. A square is that which has length and breadth but no thickness. Alright. But ultimately it is constituted of lines, and lines are constituted of points, and a point has neither length nor breadth nor thickness. From where has length and breadth come into the square? He will say, my dear son, believe in it and you will be saved. This is the starting point. Alright. You see, then a cube or a solid body is that which has length, breadth and thickness. But a cube is made up of squares, and squares are made up of lines, and lines are made up of points. So initially the cube or every solid body is made up of points, and a point is that which has no length and no breadth and no thickness. But the cube has got all these three. From where have those properties come? Now, after you have accepted this, then you start with practical problems, measuring the angles and the triangles and the squares and the beyond that the hyperbola and so on and so forth. Plane geometry, solid geometry, coordinate geometry, and you go there. And on that basis you are able to build up a whole science which is factual, which you can employ in your different fields of technology. You can do it. The same is the case with Islam. It starts from there. الَّذِينَ يُؤْمَنُونَ بِالْغَيْبِ. Those who say, start with this, that there is a reality which is beyond our senses. Right? But has this reality to remain? No. It is not to remain as unseen. It must be experienced by you. That is why Islam came.